Here's everything you need to know about the 2025 BMW M2 in just 5 minutes. Now, the starting price for an M2 in 2025 is going to run you about $67,000, but it works its way up to $75,000 at a max price, but that's still a bargain for this whip, I ain't gonna lie. Now, in the front, as you can see, we got a front lip splitter that's more legendary and massive than your front grille, and we got these massive side air intakes along with LED headlights and taillights to match. You even got the 3 BMW M colors on your door panel that don't just look good during the daytime, they also look equally as good as nighttime because they illuminate with your ambient lighting. Now under the hood, we got a 3-liter twin turbocharged inline 6 producing 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, paired nicely with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you 23 miles per gallon on the highway and 16 in the city. People always wonder how I fit in these small cars at my height of 6'10", but just look at my leg room. Easy peasy along with my headroom. Now, anytime you need a little bit more affection and want to be hugged up a little bit tighter, you got a button on the side of your seat to activate your bolstering and deactivate it. Now, these seats are heated, just like this steering wheel. They just ain't cooled, even though they look cool. Now in this itty bitty car, we got a staggered rim setup, which means we got 19-inch rims in the front and 20-inch rims in the back with Michelins wrapped around them things. And the only thing that can make them look better is your Barrett's Automotive Magic Tire Shake. Click that link below in the description to get yours now. Now, as you can see, this trunk space is so abundant. BMW put a glow-in-the-dark handle on that thing in case you or anybody else got to make an emergency exit up out of there. But we also got a tire repair kit with a compressor, fishnet for storage on the side, and you even got tie-down straps. You even have a button to activate your exhaust if you want it to be a little bit quieter or a little bit louder. I prefer louder. Now BMW, you know y'all acting up by giving these carbon fiber bucket seats with red and blue inserts wrapped in Alcantara and leather with an illuminating M on that thing. The only thing that can make these joints look better is that Barrett's Automotive Pristine Leather Conditioner. Click that link below in the description and get yours. We got an Alcantara wrapped steering wheel with carbon fiber inserts, carbon fiber paddle shifters, and memory driver profile settings that you can press with ease without ever having to take your hands off the wheel, and it's got a flat bottom with an M stamp on the bottom of that thing. Not only is your armrest wrapped in leather, but it even has a bunch of space along with a USB-C charger in that thing. Not only does your infotainment screen look really good, but it also offers a lot with things such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, climate controls, your adaptive content, trip data, vehicle status that showcases your tire pressure, engine oil level, next servicing, along with your driver settings where you can customize your M1 and M2 memory driver profile settings with things such as your engine, chassis, steering, brakes, and M traction, along with your M draft analyzer feature. That joint is legendary, even though I don't know how to drift. That's still cold. Press the M mode on your center console anytime you want to go from road, sport, and track. And get this, your digital gauge cluster and heads-up display reconfigure simultaneously anytime you go from one of the three. We got a 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds. And this little joint is rear-wheel drive, so it takes off like a rock ship with a little wheel spin in the back of that thing. Now, your heads-up display has a high resolution and nice design, and you can even reconfigure that joint anytime you want to go from standard view, directional view, and reduced view. On top of the scalp of this whip, we got a roof made of pure carbon fiber. Now, while you are in the back seat, you do got reading lights, a center storage space, along with hanger hooks and an armrest and 2 climate vents. Now, as you can see, at my height of 6'10", I just can't get jiggy with this joint in my headroom in the back seat, but the leg room ain't as bad as I thought it'd be, but you'd have to be a very small driver to have me in the back seat right here. Not only do you get carbon fiber in the center of your dash, you also got it on your center console and a carbon fiber retractable door that exposes your 2 cup holders, 1 USB charger, 12-volt charger, along with a wireless phone charger. Now, to gain access or to exit the back seat, all you gotta do is pull a lever behind the front seats to scoot your seats both forward and backwards, and it'll do it automatically motorized all by itself, and it'll even detect your knees and stop. The digital gauge cluster has a modern design and high resolution to match, but you can also reconfigure the showcase and display the center of it to go from reduced, trip data, route preview, maps, setup, engine, tire pressure, sports displays, G meter, and even media and radio. Press a button inside your driver's door panel to pop the trunk, or you can just press a button right above your license plate. Either way it goes, you gotta do it manually, but to close it, you gotta slam that thing manually too. Now, from behind this car, you can see this joint got some hips on it, and we even got that chunky monkey black rear diffuser and that quad exhaust that's black in style and looks and sounds real good. Even at my height of 6'10", when it comes to everyday drivability, it's super easy in this small car because it only looks small on the outside, but it's big on the inside clearly, and it drives good, handles good, feels good, and looks good, including that steering wheel. Now that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 BMW M2 in just 5 minutes.